we're matching today. We're twinning.
Sure, you
see
look
the
nice
twinning?
today. I like the colors.
Thank you. A towel store, you know, with the outfit coming through with the dress today. And the
nice,
bracelets
man.
and the everything. It's a
It's
little
nice.
loud though. Can you hear it?
It's loud, but it's nice, man.
Playing the tambourines.
Sometimes you have to make some noise,
You know what I'm saying? You gotta hear me coming sometime. I'm just
Welcome
saying.
everybody to Daytime Live. Now, it's Friday.
Friday!
You know, is it just me or January finished quick?
Yo, it done.
It's like
It done. It just started. I
And a
haven't
new
even
year
started
again.
on my resolutions yet. I haven't even written them out yet.
Duh.
I'm like, maybe I haven't.
it's a mid-year resolution now. Then
It's a mid-year. Let's go for February. Valentine's Day. I'll start then. How about that?
All right, so good. I'm not on hearts on my shirt today
See,
too, you know,
you're
so
ready
maybe
as
maybe it's a
well.
theme.
It's a theme. You see,
Who knew?
guys? It's in the universe. The
Who
energy.
knows?
Who knows? Who knows?
All right, guys,
Who
don't forget to
knows?
connect with us via social media. So Instagram and Twitter is TVJ_Daytime Live. And for Facebook, it's at TVJ Daytime Live.
And if you want to be a part of our studio audience, yes, log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed or come by. But, guys, on Tuesday, we have our 2-year anniversary
Yeah,
show.
man, come
Big
in.
show. It's going to be amazing. All the hosts are going to be there. Just come on by. We want a nice
You
full
have to do it like
audience.
an artist. Big show.
Big show.
Big show.
Big. Is that hers, my lips, though?
Yeah.
Big-
I remember to catch back shows via onespotmedia.com or on YouTube. Just search Daytime Live TVJ and you'll find me. All right? So let's get buzzing.
Buzzing. Now, the biggest news for everyone here in Jamaica right now is
Carmel.
that Buju Banton breaks the internet, people. Yes. Well, it broke his website, you know, and Caribtix. Now, the website where fans rushed to purchase tickets for his first show, Long Walk to Freedom tour, which takes place on March the 16th at the National Stadium. Both websites are back up and running where you can actually purchase your tickets, and they are going fast. So you have to run and get them. But we have an exclusive from Daniel Abbott, who is the managing director of Baseline Productions Group and Caribtech, which is the only portal to purchase tickets for the Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom concert. Now, he issued a statement, and it reads.
So, in light of the recent website
team.
outage faced by patrons attempting to purchase early bird tickets for Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom concert, Caribtix takes this opportunity to assure the public that our website was not cloned and is again operating at optimal capacity and functioning fully. And this is what Abbott explained. Although steps were taken to prepare the site with additional capacity in anticipation of the expected high traffic, the unprecedented demand far exceeded our expectations. Well done,
yes,
Buju. Server
Buju.
traffic grew
Woo!
from 20% of normal usage to over 400% at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Time when tickets went on sale. Additional servers were spun up, which means added, to accommodate the volume. However, this process took longer than anticipated. This is what Abbott added. And he also said, so the Caribtix advanced ticket system is hosted by the internationally recognized Amazon AWS services, and since its inception in 2005, has serviced tens of thousands of events across the Caribbean and the United States. That's awesome, man. Caribtix really doing things with no interruption other than what happened yesterday. And they sincerely apologize for this, but they let fans know that they're back up and running, and they let Buju Banton's team know that they're back up and running. So sorry to the fans that tried to purchase tickets. However, it's back up and running, and any further information that you need, it's available at bujubanton.com.
Yes, and they said that this kind of thing does happen with persons like, for example, Beyonce and Jay-Z. They've had that kind of, website malfunction as well because of the high demand of their ticket sales. So it's not
Amazon
just Buju Banton.
at once too, and Amazon is a giant. So these things do happen.
It happens when you're a legend, like the Banton is, like Sir Gargamel is. And speaking of the man himself, Buju also launched his foundation this week and made this statement. Now, he said, "Born in abject poverty, I know what it is for a child to go without basic necessities. I also know what it is to be a youth with big dreams and lots of determination. Unfortunately, daunted and unable to achieve your destiny due to lack of a helping hand. It's not an easy road, my children. However, Jah has blessed me. I have made it my mission through the Buju Banton Foundation to help by giving light to the youth living in the darkness of poverty through provision of food, clothing, healthcare, and education, thus ensuring they too have equal opportunities to succeed. I love to see my brother and sister looking out for one another. That is the way it should be, not contrary.
Yeah.
Stop tearing each other
Destiny.
down.
I like it. I like it.
It's not an easy road.
Right.
Many say that bop. Hey.
Man, we're doing big things immediately. I love it. So, in further stuff now, so I don't like to call it news, you know.
It's not news. It's just
It's
information.
new though.
It's
so,
new.
so today, the Duke of Edinburgh has been involved in a car accident while driving near the
What,
Queen
say what?
Sandringham estate. Yeah,
He's driving?
Yes, he is still driving. So he said that Prince Philip, 97. He was not injured in
97.
the accident. He's 97, and he was not injured in the accident, which happened as he drove a Land Rover out of a driveway onto the A149 shortly before 3 p.m. The other car involved was a Kia motor car. There were 2 women in it, and they needed hospital treatment. They have since been discharged. Eyewitnesses said that the Duke's Land Rover overturned during the collision. They said they helped the Duke out of the vehicle. He was conscious, but very, very shocked and shaken up, of course.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah, so Norfolk police said that it's a forced policy to breath test drivers in collisions, and both of them had been tested, and they tested negatively.
Right.
So, I mean, I don't understand.
So where was he going at 3 a.m. in the morning?
It's not in the morning, man. It's in the afternoon, but he's 97. So, I mean, even if it was high noon, like, I don't know. Like,
Maybe, there's some... No, we're not joking about this, guys. It's serious, and,
Yeah,
we're
I
glad
don't
that
know.
he's okay. Just making a little light of
I mean,
of
we're not
potentially
not
bad
the
situation.
elders still, but I mean, I think that at 97,
When you get to a certain age, you should...
you should have a driver as a prince at 97.
you would think,
I
as the
would hope,
king.
I mean, he did check the ladies that were in the Kia though, and made sure that they were all right. So
Yeah.
at
Yeah.
least he still had the presence of
Yeah.
mind to do that.
I do think you should stop driving at a certain age. And I think 97 might well be a little,
After this, he
a
might.
little past that. But, I'm just me. Just me. However, moving on. Now, Cardi B. Cardi. Now, Cardi B took to Instagram recently, giving voice to many frustrated Americans with her rant about how unfair it is. The president, Trump that is, ordered thousands of federal employees to get back to work during the partial government shutdown without pay. Now, the money hitmaker said in her rant, our country is in a difficult situation right now. That's not what she said, but that's what I'm going to say. So, what do you think about the fact that, entertainers nowadays are getting involved into politics?
I
They're
think it's
getting more
good.
involved
I
and
think-
having... What do you think
it's
about
good,
this?
man. I think you have a voice, and you are the leader of several people in your following, and you should lead them. You should voice your opinions, because that's what you have the voice to do. So, I mean, I don't think that they should speak on things that they don't know about.
gonna
But
say,
if you are
yeah.
passionate and you do have knowledge on a situation, then you should not hesitate to use your voice to better the situation.
If your facts are accurate and you
Yeah,
know
that's
that
what
they
I
are and
think.
stuff like that. That's really good.
Yeah.
But what do you think about the fact that persons are being ordered
That's crazy.
ordered
Even
to
in
work?
Jamaica, the people at the embassy working without pay, it's crazy.
Ordered though.
Anyway.
Ordered to work without pay. I'm like,
Anyway, on a lighter note, though, check out this funny video from a bartender.
not sure I'm working without pay though.
Yeah, man, you're for all of us, so you're there on the work.
That's where I
Like
want
that.
to be. I don't know where that is, and the slap.
It was
and
that real.
Yeah, and slap. I love it. That's where I want to be. That,
Yeah,
that
man, you
seems
fall
like
off
good
vibe
vibe,
when
good
you're at
vibe.
work. I like
Especially
that.
when you're in the water, in the pool, having a little dance about. I'm here for that. That sounds awesome. Speaking
of-
of awesome, hey,
Do your thing.
daytime shout outs. Yes, no, Craig, you have some bad ups though that some people want
Yeah.
to bat him up. So
All right, I will
who-
go with that first.
Yeah.
Speaking of holding the vibes at work, big up to the Value Gas team and them lock into Daytime Live every time we're on here. So big up on yourself to the Value Gas team. Big up to the general them from Birdsucker Lane. Who
Hey.
hold me hostage the other day.
Hey,
I
bah,
said me
bah,
have to
bah.
big them up or else me can't go through.
Ooh,
You
no,
know, Barbican
oops.
traffic still.
Big them up,
But
good
them let
man.
me through still. Respect us, respect man. Big up Father Stone and the Jellyman and Miss Patsy, Sister Patsy. Big up yourself. No
Big
flow.
up yourself. No, I love that. And Shan Smith says, want to send a shout out to my nice, clean mother, Tanisha Martin, insane in Spanish Town. Enough love and big up the Daytime Live crew. Yes.
Nice. All right, so big up to Country and the Friday morning Banana crew. You know,
Bap.
I'm seeing you every Friday. Big up on yourself. Big up to Marshallette and Fiona from Price Mart and help me out of a sticky situation the other day. Big up on yourself too.
Bap.
Big up to Leah and her son
up?
B, husband Ravine, and they're getting married on October 18, 2009. So congratulations and I wish you all the best.
Yes. Big up Ali Jahay. I don't know. Ali Jahay. Hi. Ali Jahay March says, big up to Nisha Yen and Craigie T, and big up my nice clean self,
Right.
and my in-law Brittany Bartley. Yes. And we have one more. Roxine Chin says, big up my cuz Larone, Jet White, Auntie Shirley, Norga, Shaquille, Mommy, Marlene, Mitchell,
Yeah.
Chin family, Glenda.
Yeah, Entourage.
That's from Roxine Chin.
I like
Big
that.
up.
Shout out to Valda Morgan from Boundbrook Basic School having a birthday today, and this is coming from Garnet. Big up yourself and happy birthday. Enjoy it.
And big up to Maria and her mommy that's watching right now. She says it makes her smile, the energy. Hi, thank you for watching. Big up yourself. Yes.
Awesome.
Daytime Live, guys. We have so much more lined up for you. It's going to be an awesome show today. Daytime Live will be right back, though. Join us after
come
the
back.
break.
Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up.